Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Most common related to fallopian tube. Most common site of fertilization is ampulla of fallopian tube. Most common site of ectopic pregnancy is ampulla of fallopian tube. Most common site for tubal abortion is ampulla of fallopian tube. Most common site for tubal rupture is isthmus of fallopian tube. Most common site for tubal ligation is isthmus of fallopian tube. Best prognosis for reversibility or decanalization of the tube is if there is isthmic anastomosis. Tuberculosis causes block in the cornual end of the tube. Gonococcus causes block in the fimbrial end of the tube.
thank you and thank you for watching.